Angeles National Forest is one of the most visited national forests with over 3 million visitors, so it's really hard to find parking, adequate parking, and safe parking. So one, it allows more folks to get out to the forest, and this allows more users to come up to one of the most visited areas, and also introduces those from the urban environment to national forest.
If people are not able to get to their public lands and they belong to all of us, then those are generations of people who are not going to be comfortable with nature, kids who won't grow up knowing that these mountains are right here surrounding our awesome city. And so connecting that gap in transportation from communities to their public lands is really critical.
Just to see that kind of passion where they don't care that they're going to get their hands dirty, they don't care that they're going to be out in the rain on that day, on that particular Saturday. They're just there to help out and to work, and not just because they like working with people and doing something meaningful and impactful, but because they really do care about the outdoors.
Even though this is only one day, you put in 70 people putting in 4 hours of trail work. That's a lot of hours when you add it all up. Today we cut brush from the trail, so where the trail corridor is and there's brush growing in, you don't want to get slapped in the face by a branch. And we also moved some rock slides that had come down. So all of these things are important because in the San Gabriel Mountains, the geology of these mountains is such that they're constantly eroding and constantly crumbling.
The next generation to help steward our lands are the kids. It's important to instill in them the ethic of maintenance and taking care of our outdoor places. So when they come out to a project, they are more invested when they pick up that shovel or when they take out that trash. They're more invested in this place because they have given back. We love to celebrate our volunteers with food and recognize them as an important part of the community. What better way than to feed them with some great food and commemorate the day of hard work that they have given.
And so thank you all for making that happen. We would not be the forest that we are today without all of the work and help we get from volunteers.